Here are a few examples for less commonly used sample cells. These Teflon cells equipped with two holes, generally used for room temperature, liquid, aqueous solution samples. Organic solutions can also be used, but the issue is whether the organic solvent will dissolve the glue or evaporate through relatively rapidly on this 5 micrometer thick polypropylene window. The way to make it is, I'm going to demonstrate with this sort of reverse. You have a double-sided tape, so first put it on one side, cut it out, and flip it around, put on the other side, cut it out, and then use the polypropylene tape to cover it. So I'm going to just really quickly go through this. The same setup is true for the other sample cell. This is a little bit more tedious because obviously you cannot see through, but practically the idea is to take a double-sided tape over the front, okay, here obviously tape over the whole thing, and then cut it out. I like to cut these little tabs off because it's sticky, and when it's handled, samples, polypropylene film, many things can stick to it. So this is completely sealed. Well, we need to cut out the middle window and just gently go in, cut around. The X-Acto knife is strong enough that actually it can carve a hole into the Teflon tape. So, the Teflon cell, gently remove it. Good. And then next step is, again, this can be done prepared outside. For air sensitive samples, remove the cover from the double-sided tape and put the polypropylene window on it. Smooth it out, make sure the liquid is not going to leak out. Cut around. Okay, cut this around, and then the loading is a little bit more tedious than for the XF cell. It has two holes, and one hole generally is covered with a syringe. This is a 11.5 gauge, so 0.9 by 0.9 millimeter thick syringe, and the one side has a flat, yeah, there you go, so I put it in wrong, so looks like the right side has a flat top, and that's where the syringe goes. This is going to be the exit for the air. Again, take up the sample, go in, hold it vertically, and first tilt it toward one side, slowly fill it up, and it's going to nicely cover the whole volume. And then you can play a little bit to form, as you push in, play a little bit to form a little bubble, and then pull it out, and then add another one. When you start to see liquid coming out, take both out. Again, if you have a little tape, you could tape these in, but generally, especially if you add glycerol, it's going to be sticky enough and viscous that the sample is not going to come out. Stand it up in a jar, take it out, add the beamline, tape, mount it to the PEL or the appropriate sample holder.